Hey guys, so I'm here and I have this cocktail shaker kit. So, well, I don't even need to use that. So I'm gonna show you kind of what is in it and what it comes with. So there we go. So first I got my little spoon so you can mix the stuff inside there. It's one of the long spoons. And then here's everything this comes with. I've been needing a mixing kit, like for cocktails and stuff like that. So this will be perfect. So it comes with obviously the big one. So it comes with the big one, and then here we go, I have the smaller one. And so how it works is you go like that, and then you shake it in here. So I'll show you the other accessories too. So this is perfect because it comes with the measurement tool here. So, and it even shows you in here, this can measure 1.5 and then 2 ounces as well. So you could fill it up all the way or halfway, and then you can use that. And then this one has 1/2 ounce, 3/4 ounce, and then 1 ounce in here. And it has them labeled here, so you can pour that in. And then also what is cool is that it comes with the strainer for it. So this is the strainer that you can put on here and go like that. So I'll show you guys kind of how it works. I have some ice here. So what you do is you fill it up with ice, you pour in whatever you need. I'm just pouring in water, for example. And then say I wanted to, measure a certain amount. And so there we go, that's 1.5. And then, or no, sorry, that's 1 ounce right there. And so then I pour that in there. And then say I wanted to stir it a little bit. So this is the cool thing as well. If you put sugar cubes in it or whatever other things. Ooh, and I like kind of how this works. And it's easy. You just put it in there, you stir it around a little bit. And then say I wanted to shake it. You go like that. You punch it together. Ooh, I can feel it. It's nice and cold. And then you just pop it open. You kind of have to turn it a little bit. Oh, there. You're supposed to hit it against the ground like when you open these things. But there we go. So then I was able to do it. And then I have this, which also I know that this is meant for, you can kind of, maybe I was wrong about that, but you just put this in there and kind of you can stir it. And then this is for the strainer part of it where you can go like that. And then I have my nice ice cold drink right there. And then, you use whatever for the ice. So this has everything you need in it. I got my shaker, my strainer, my spoon to mix it, the measuring glass, and then the top of it. So that's perfect. I like it, and that was nice and easy, and I give it a thumbs up.